Hey there, this is Lucas from Purple Room Marketing. We're a digital marketing agency, and I happen to be making some research on your area today, and I came across your website. So I figured that I would show you guys this short video on 3 tips on how can you start beating your competition online. So if you like what you see, please get back to me so we can chat. And honestly, I want to keep this nice and short because I don't want to waste your time. So the tips would be content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, those are the main 3 important things that Google wants you to have in order to rank you on the top of the first page. So starting with content, that would be everything that you see on your website here, all the pictures, all the text right here, everything, how the pictures are saved as, like what is behind the pictures, all that is stuff that the search engine can read to figure what is your business about and what services are you offering. Okay. So what they like to see is a lot of keyword rich and oriented authoritative content. And I see you have some over here already. So we could add some more and maybe, make sure that everything is keyword oriented. So when people look for those keywords or key phrases, your website pops at the top of Google and they can find you easily. All right. Then the second thing would be citations. If you see here, for example, you look Podiatrist Miami, this is what you see usually, right? A mic pack, some businesses listed right here, and then the organic results. Usually, you also see some ads on the top over here. They don't see right now because, like, uh, ads sometimes they show, sometimes they don't. If you have an ad block, and that's the problem with the ads. If some people have an ad block like I do, I don't see the ads over here, so they won't click on them. Okay, and also some people had bad experiences with the ads in the past because some businesses they do them in a little too strong way, so they don't even click on them. So the interesting thing is be ranked on the MacPack and on the organic results. And for that, we already talked about the content. We're talking about citations now. Citations is basically your business name, address, and phone number, the same way you submit it with Google, all in different directories all throughout the web. For that, you can use like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook. It's thousands of them on the internet, and this is pretty much what you need. So whatever these guys have, let's say they have 100 or 200 citations. Well, you always want to have at least 50 to 100 more than them. So that way you make sure that there's no way they will catch up with you. All right. Because once you do that, you keep checking it regularly on a regular basis. So that way, whenever they start to build some more, you do it so, and that keeps going, they never can catch up. All right. That would also help you a little bit in order to rank here, which is the important thing. We always want to be on the top 3 results, but always on the top one here. This is the one that gets the most business of all when somebody looks for the service. All right. And as you see here, I go to your website. This is a lot of, you need the backlinks to rank on this aspect a lot. Okay. The content, the citations, we already mentioned them. Backlinks is basically your website mentioned in another website that when somebody clicks on it, it links back to your website. Okay. What you have here, when I put your website on Ahrefs, this is a tool that we use to have an idea, gives us some data and have an idea of how your business is doing online. I can see that you have 6 referring domains giving you 8 backlinks. So the backlinks they're not all created equal. Some backlinks are stronger than others. Backlinks on regular forums or blogs are important, but backlinks on your same niche, let's say another doctor's office, mention you, giving faith that you're a good doctor or trustworthy, or maybe a scientific article, medical article that says your name and your website. Those things would give you a very strong, powerful backlinks that you will need that many of them in order to beat maybe another website that has more but less powerful. Okay, this that you see here, these little numbers, these are the trust and the power that Google gives you. That is not too much at the moment, But once we build the content, citations, and backlinks, this would go up. You always want to have them in pretty close numbers, so they're balanced. And so with these backlinks and referring domains, you're ranking for 127 keywords that give you around 16 people a month that go through your website. If we click here, we see the terms you're ranking for, like for example, obviously your name, but like if you go food doctor in Miami, you're in the 150 people look for this. Every month you're in the 14th position, so you're on the bottom of the second, top of the third page. Podiatrist Miami Podiatrist, 100 people, 15, kind of the same. Podiatrist Miami, 700 people joined the 24. So this would be like the fourth page kind of thing. Bottom of third or fourth page. So this is probably the main term you want to rank for. Also, these ones right here are important because a lot of people are looking for this. And as you see here, for example, this is the website of the first one, Edward Bustamante. His website, kind of looking like your website, some pictures, a good looking website as well, some content over here. Then I put his website on Ahrefs right here. As you see, his numbers are not too high either, trust and power, okay? But he has 24 referring domains, giving him 61 backlinks that are pretty strong since he's ranking on the first position, okay? He's ranking for 165 keywords that give him around 310 people every single month that go through their website. So this is 310 potential patients that find him online and might go use his services. As you see here, all these terms are the ones that he's trying to rank for. And with all the search volumes and the second position, first. So that's why this guy is getting the lion's share of the business online for podiatrists in Miami. Okay. So implementing all these three tips that I give you, you could be ranking the first one on top of him and getting the same, if not more business. Okay, so if you like it and you want to talk about it, please just get back to me. We can chat and see how can we do it or just talk about it. If not, please just take these tips for free so you can implement it yourself. And I would appreciate it at least if you can give me a little comment or review on the video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.